Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about steroids. Steroids are a group of structurally related compounds which occurs in animals and plants. This comprises of a group of cyclic organic compounds. In these compounds, 17 carbon atoms are arranged in a ring system, that is 4 rings. Out of these 4 rings, 3 rings are 6 membered and 1 ring is 5 membered ring system. That means all the steroids are derivatives of perhydrocyclopentane ring system. That is, the 3 rings are belongs to phenandrine system and one 5 membered ring system belongs to cyclopentane. So these are some examples of steroids. Steroids includes sex hormones like testosterone, estrogen. Another example is vitamin D, bile acids, some adrenal cortex hormones. Then anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids are synthetic steroids which are used in medical purpose. These are some examples for steroids. Then one of the major compound in steroid category is cholesterol. Cholesterol is a steroid. Actually, it is a sterol. Sterol means a compound containing hydroxyl group. This steroid is present in animals, and this is the most important sterol present in animals. The molecular formula of cholesterol is C27H46O. This compound also have a 4-membered ring system. Out of these 4 members, the 3 rings are belongs to phenandrine ring system. That means 6-membered rings, and one ring is 5-membered ring. It is cyclopentane system, and cholesterol is derivative of this 4-membered ring system. Cholesterol is biosynthesized in all animals. It is an essential component of cell membrane. These are the main functions of cholesterol in the body. The first function is to maintain the integrity and fluidity of cell membrane. That means this is the functional or integral part of cell membrane. The second one is cholesterol serves as the starting material for the production of various materials like steroid hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D in our body. Then the next function is cholesterol is a part of our diet. Dietary cholesterol mainly contains in cheese, butter like products. This is the body pool of cholesterol. That is the cholesterol cycle in our body. Cholesterol can be obtained in our body through two mechanisms. The first one is cholesterol can be absorbed from our diet by the intestine. Then second, cholesterol can be biosynthesized in our liver. These are the two sources of cholesterol in our body. The excess cholesterol produced in our body is converted to other products like bile acid, steroid hormones, vitamin D, etc. Then the remaining cholesterol is excreted from our body through digestive tract. This is the body pool of cholesterol. Next is the cholesterol transport in our body. As we already discussed, the two sources of cholesterol in our body, cholesterol can be biosynthesized in our liver and it can be obtained through the diet. The cholesterol stored in the liver have to transport it to different part of the body. This transport is done through blood, and the excess cholesterol in the blood is also returned back to liver through blood. The blood transport is a difficult process because cholesterol is a lipid which is insoluble in water. Then the process is done with the help of some protein. That proteins are called lipoprotein. That means here lipoproteins are carrying cholesterol throughout the body. There are two types of cholesterol seen in our body. Actually, these are the type of lipoprotein that carries cholesterol. That is first one LDL. LDL is low density lipoprotein, that is also called as bad cholesterol. And the second one is HDL, that is high density lipoprotein, good cholesterol. Lipoprotein is a protein that carries cholesterol to different part of the body. Lipoprotein means, lipo means lipid, protein means protein molecule. First, we are going to discuss low density lipoprotein or LDL. This is otherwise called bad cholesterol. The function of this protein or low density lipoprotein is to carry cholesterol from liver to different part of the body. The cholesterol have to perform different functions in different part of the body. So how to transport to different part? This transport is done with the help of low density lipoprotein. If LDL is more in our body, what happens? LDL carries more cholesterol from liver to different part of the body. This will cause the accumulation of cholesterol in the blood vessels. That means elevated level of LDL have a risk factor in our body. It can lead to different diseases like heart diseases, stroke, etc. That is why this cholesterol is called bad cholesterol. The second category of lipoprotein is high density lipoprotein or HDL. This is also called good cholesterol. The function of this lipoprotein is to carry cholesterol from different part of the body or from blood to liver. This lipoprotein carries cholesterol from blood to liver for the storage. That means it removes the excess cholesterol present in the blood vessel to the liver. So this is called good cholesterol. That means it protects our body from diseases like heart attack. So this cholesterol is also called good cholesterol. The cholesterol level of HDL should be high and LDL should be low in our body. Next is the HDL LDL distribution in our body. Here we already discussed one of the lipoprotein is good one and the other one is bad one. So for a healthy condition, the ratio should be properly maintained. That means HDL should be high in our body and LDL should be low in our body to maintain a healthy condition. The distribution between HDL and LDL is controlled by some genetic factors. Also, it is affected by our lifestyles. But the distribution ratio between LDL and HDL can be altered by regular exercise. Regular exercise increases the level of HDL and decreases the level of LDL. Then we can control by limiting the intake of saturated fat. Saturated fat in our diet increases the LDL level in our body. Then we can use some drugs in class of statin. Statin drugs reduces the cholesterol level. Here we are moving to some conditions caused by high level of cholesterol in our body. Actually, this is caused by high level of LDL, that is low density lipoprotein. This includes various diseases like stroke, heart attack, arteriosclerosis, gangrene. Where first we are discussing stroke. A stroke is caused by the damage of brain cells. The brain cell damage is occurred by the blockage of blood flow to that brain cell. This will cause to stroke. Then next is acute myocardial infarction. We call it as heart attack. Heart attack. The main reason behind heart attack is cholesterol deposit. Cholesterol can lead to heart diseases. It can cause death also. Then the next disease is arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is a condition by which narrowing of blood vessel due to cholesterol deposition. When cholesterols are deposited on the blood vessel, it affects the blood flow through it. This condition is called arteriosclerosis. Then gangrene is a condition of complete decay or death of tissue to a particular part by the complete obstruction of blood flow to that part. These are some conditions caused by high level of cholesterol. So we have to control the LDL level and we have to increase the level of HDL.